Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Substack password. To reset your Substack password, follow these detailed steps. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred web browser and go to Substack login page by entering the URL substack.com. Let's do that. Substack.com. Okay. Punch that enter button, and that's gonna walk us right into Substack. On the login screen, you will see the login fields for your email and the password. So go ahead and click on sign in to head over to the login field. That takes you in here. So now it says email and sign in with password, and that it says continue. First time here, create an account. So go ahead and enter the email for the Substack. You can just, let's say, email, or you can click on sign in with password. So let's say you don't want to click on email, and I selected sign in with password. So email and password, then sign in with password. Now, because we want to reset this password, you can see an option that says set a new password and sign in with email. Now select set a new password. That takes you to the forgot password window, which we have in here. Now enter your email, and once you enter your email, go ahead and click on send email. And once you click on send email, you will be prompted to confirm the email. Now after confirming the email, the next step is to add the new password. So a new page will appear prompting you to enter the email address associated with your Substack accounts, okay, which we have in here. Then type in your email address and double check for accuracy to ensure you receive the reset instructions. So after entering your email address, click on the send email button, which is here, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that a password reset email has been sent to your email address, because the password resetting process will be done in your email for security reasons. So once you're done with that, open your email inbox and look for the email for Substack. It may take a few minutes to arrive, so be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main box. And once you find the email from Substack, open it. The subject line will likely include something like reset your Substack password. Check the mail, and inside the mail, look for a button or a link that says reset password, or click here to reset your password, and click on the link. The link will redirect you to a page where you can set a new password. Enter a new password in the designated field and make sure it meets any password requirements, such as length and complexity. You may be asked to confirm the new password by entering it again in a second field. After entering and confirming your new password, click on the Save or Reset Password button, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. So return to the Substack login page, enter your email address and the new password you just created to log into your account. By following these detailed steps, you will successfully reset your Substack password and regain access to your accounts. So that's pretty much it. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.